Hi guys, welcome to his channel. I'm super excited to bring you guys to this wonderful woman cash strategy today. So today I'll be walking you guys through this woman cash scrapping strategy. So uh this strategy was able to double a $5,000 account into a $10,000 account. I will see a lot of requests from people that I should be creating strategies that mainly used on how to swing trade. But so I come up with this strategy for you guys, and this strategy I was able to use it to make $5,000 from a $5,000 account, and I was able to double it into a $10,000. So as you can see, we are currently running into a $5,000 profit, as you can see right here. And the thing is, most of people, I would say most of people is not that successful trading this boom and crash because the lack of patience. Lacking of patience is the one that will make a trader to not become successful trading, because you need to be patient. And if you're working a strategy, you also want to watch how you can implement strategy before you start using it, so that it won't be any loss for you. So with that being said, let us wait more time. So it will be a more easier for you guys to make sure you watch this video to the end, so you won't miss any damn thing about the strategy and you won't miss any explanation. And if you are new to the Driver's channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your post notification. So anytime we post in strategy, you guys should be aware. Also, guys, if you want account management, you can contact us on account management. No matter how your equity is, just contact us, then we send you our terms. And if you are okay with our time, then we are going to manage your account for you. And also, you can join our Telegram community. The link is going to be in the description below, so you can tell our Telegram community for free signals. So without being said, let's jump into this trade. As we jump into this trade right here, because I'm expecting to close my trade once it's maybe it's a $10 exactly, or I keep making more money. So we're using the boom theory and crash pattern, because that's where I took my trade. But before I teach you guys how you can implement the strategy, I first need to show you guys the setup of the strategy. So we are going to be using this all setup that we need for the strategy. This all setup that we need to delete everything all. Then we will start from scratch. So make sure you stay tuned, and then make sure you stay active, so you can have better understanding about the strategy. So the first thing you need to do is just go to the icon you are seeing at the top. So when you get that icon, then you want to click on the F plus. That's where you are going to be adding all your indicator up. So click on the F plus. The first indicator we need is the moving average. So you find your moving average, and then you add your moving average. So the first moving average that we need is 10. Shift is 0. Enter this exponential. Apply to close and the color. We're going to be using the black color, so you can choose any color of your choice. So I set it up like this, then click on down, and you're going to have your indicator right in your chart. And the next indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be the RSI. So you'll be adding now RSI up. The period is 1000. Apply to close. The style doesn't necessarily. Now the levels, we just need the two levels, which is the overbought and the oversold levels. So the thing is going to be the overbought level, and then the next is going to be our oversold levels. So you can choose any color of your choice. Then we set it up, then click on done, and you have your RSI right in your chart. Now the next indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be now indicator window 1. So just click on the F plus, and then have your moving average. And the first moving average we need is the 70 moving average. The shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Then continue the color. I'm going to be using the blue color, so then click on done. Now we have your indicator right in your chart. Now the last but not the least indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be moving average. Now this time we need just one moving average. So we need the one moving average. Shift 0, the method is exponential, also apply to close, and this time I'm going to be using the black color, and then I'm going to click on done. So now we have all the settings we need for the strategy. Now how are you guys now going to make use of the strategy? This is the most useful aspects. How are you going to be making use of this strategy? Now, to use this strategy is used on 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour time frame. That's the both you can choose. So just that's 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes time frame. Just pick one from there. That is where you are going to be using this strategy. But I'll be using the 30 minutes for this strategy, so I'll be using my 30 minutes. Now, so this is you can see this is the year that I took my trade, because I took my trade right here. What gives me the chance of taking the trades? I see something right here. So now, although I missed the opportunity when the market crossed the blue line, but I was still able to catch the move. So now, how I do use this strategy to took this trade now? The first thing we want to see in your chart is that you want to see that this moving average, this black moving average is at the top of the chart, which means that the price needs to move below the moving average. So this indicates that the market is in a downtrend, also it's in a downtrend. So whenever you see it crossing like this, let me show you. Now, whenever you see it crossing like this, whenever you see it crossing, moving whenever you see the moving average moving below, which means that the price is moving above the moving average, you have a series of buys. When you see that the price is moving downward, which means that the price is moving below the moving average in a down sell. Now, when I see this right here, this is first thing that I want to see before. So I will see we have this area being what? We have the price being moving below the moving average. Now, when I see this way I'm supposed to take the trade, but I wait for a better opportunity. Why? Because I could see that this happen, which means that the spike is broken, is moving above the moving average. So when I see that, I quickly close all my positions and wait for better confirmation. Now you can see, although I see the clear confirmation, which means that this is everything you need to see before taking any trades with the strategy. The first thing you need to see that you want to see that the black and the blue moving average is at the oversold level, which means that it needs to be at the negative levels. And we want to see that the black moving average is below, which means that the blue one need to be here above the moving average. And also we want to see that the black moving average here as well is above the black moving average is above the price, which means that the price needs to go below the moving average. So that's all the confirmation you need for taking any entries. Now for better entries, now before based on the trade that I took, I was supposed to have entered here right here, but see the price broken above the moving average. Then I quickly close all my positions and then I wait for it to come back again, moving below the moving average. That's when I wait a little bit, and I see this again, then I need to wait for the price to move below the black moving average. Then I'll see that we still in a downtrend movement. That's when I quickly drop into the trade, and I've been holding it since when? Since 14 of this month, which means that I've been holding the trade for many days now. I've been holding it for I think 4 days now. So that's on that. So that's all you need for taking any trade with strategy. And just swing trade, just swing strategy. And then now let's say you want to go for your buy now. What do you need to see? The first thing you need to see that you want to see that the price is above the moving average. So when you see that the price is above the moving average, then the next thing you want to see is that you want to see that this black moving average, the black and the blue moving average need to be at the overbought levels. When it's at the lower bought levels, then we want to see that the black moving average needs to cross above the blue line. So the black line needs to cross above the blue line. Then when you see that, that's when you are expected to take your trades. And then you put your trades is the market is at the oversold levels again. When you see that the market is oversold levels again, or you could see that the the price is moving below the moving average, then we will quickly want to close all your position. That is for exit. For already explain how you guys can entry with the strategy. I will teach you guys how you can exit the trade. So I think that is all that you guys need for the strategy. That's all, everything you need to know about the strategy. So let me show you guys the trade that I took on Crash 1000. You can see how dramatically, how crazily this Crash 1000 have been moved. So you can see I took the trade both on Crash 1000 at the same day, at the same day. That's where I took the trade. Now, what give me the confirmation of taking the trade? Now, the first confirmation that I see right here is that I will see that you can see what happened right there. You can see what the price is moving above the moving average. When it's moving, although it looks like come here, but I could see it come back again to going above the moving average. That's when I jump into my trades and I open my positions. And I also see this, which means that I also see the moving average, at the overbought levels, and then I could see that the black moving average is moving above the blue moving average, crossing over each other. And that is when I take my trades and have my position. So that's how you guys are going to make use of the strategy. It's just simple as that. So what I need you guys to do is that I need you guys to go and backtest strategy. Figure out how you're going to meet your own trading system. Okay, everybody has his own trading system. So just take the strategy, add it to your own trading system and figure out how it's going to work for you as well. Although I've already mastered the strategy, I've already using it, as you can see, I've already been making trading money with strategy, but I discovered the strategy with my own trading system and figured out a match, and I know that it's going to work for every one of us. That's when I use strategy to create videos. So what I want to do is just make sure you backtest strategy, figure out the email trading system, and then start using strategy to make money. And so with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and just turn on post notification so that I post strategy you guys should be aware. So don't forget to join our Telegram community for free signals, and then don't forget to contact us for account management. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.